Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. I got a brand new 2021 Arctic Fox model 285C. So this has the double slide here in the living area. So you got the kitchen, you're right here with the oven, glass door oven, 3-burner, convection microwave. It's got the double refrigerator and freezer. You got the big island. On the corners, you've got each pull out little spot for cans and stuff on the ends of the island. Fireplace, big TV. So this model has the booth in the back that makes into a bed. Pretty good windows. You get the recliners across from the TV. Air conditioning, LED lighting, ceiling fan. This has got the fantastic fans. One in the bedroom, one here in the living room. So comes with the solar already. Queen bed in the master bedroom with a nice closet slide. And then they got a big bathroom in there with a corner shower. And on the outside, you've got it's pre-wired for backup camera, electric awning. It's got electric stabilizer jacks, auto leveling jacks. Got storage bays in the front, propane tanks on the sides. You got the pass-through storage also, so it's pretty big. All right, hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV again. So if you're looking for fifth wheel, toy haulers, campers, you name it, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.